Toshiko is an Amazon-based company. They sell all sorts of LED lighting for automobiles, and they were kind enough to send in this LED fiber light kit for Starlight headliners for me to review. So we're gonna be checking out this one. This one is 150 pieces, 6 feet long, and it is allegedly one of the smallest Starlight headliner light engines with a twinkle feature. So I was actually very shocked about that. We're gonna be checking it out and seeing how it stands up against the other brands. Right off the bat, let's see what comes inside the kit. We've got an AC adapter. We've got our 6 feet worth of fiber here. It's actually 6.5 feet. I don't know if I can get that on camera. 6.5 feet worth of fiber right here. 150 strands. We've got an instruction manual. You've got the little code right here. You scan that with your phone so you can download the app, and then you'll be able to control it with your phone. Jump, 3 color jump, 7 color jump, 3 color fade, 7 color fade. We've got a motor speed button for increase and decrease speed, as well as the motor off button. We've got a music on, music off, breathe, and a flash. It comes with 9 pre-selected colors, as well as a dedicated red, green, blue, and white. And I believe the white can also change from cool white to a soft white, as well as a dedicated dimmer for brighter and less bright, and an on and off button. Okay, it already comes with the battery installed. So you just pull this little tab right here. Oh, this is pretty cool. This looks different from the one I have right now. This one is kind of like an auto auxiliary plug. Looks like it even has a little button right here. So you can click that button, turn it on and off right here. I've used one of these in my car for the past 2 years before I hardwired mine. They're pretty handy, and they're a good safe way to not have to mess with your fuse box. Oh wow. Yeah, this is really small. Yeah, look at that. Got the Bluetooth antenna. You've also got the antenna here for the remote. It looks like it has the microphone holes where you plug it in right here. The AC adapter. Look at that. That looks a little different. This is a lot smaller, guys. This is way smaller. Oh, look. What is that? Little drill bits. Dude, that's so cool. So it tells you, so 3, 4, 5, you're getting a total of 5 drill bits, and it tells you which size fiber to use these drill bits for. All right, we're gonna do a size comparison. This is the one that they sent me. This is the Toshiko brand with the twinkle headliner. I mean, with the twinkle star feature. You can tell it has a twinkle star feature because it has that little grid, the little plate you see in there. And this is the one I currently have installed in my car. Look at that, dude. Look how tiny this one is. Look how big this one is. Can you see that? Look how big these are. Well, look how big this one is compared to this one. Look at the back. This is so much more compact. You know what? Let's do a weight test. Let's do a weight test. All right, we're zeroed out. Let's see how much this is my old one right here. Let's see how much this one weighs. 1 pound and 0.5 ounces. Now let's try the one they sent me. 8.3 ounces. That is insane. This is definitely a lot smaller, a lot lighter too. You know, I'm actually curious to try it out. The AC adapter cord isn't very long at all, actually. Let's plug it in. Let's see how it spins. Okay, so right now I'm gonna test out the features. I'm gonna get in the app. I'm gonna turn them off. On the very top, I'm gonna hit the power button again so we can turn these on. So you gotta have your Bluetooth turned on for this to work. I'm gonna cycle through the bottom colors first. Red, green, purple, yellow, pink, whatever color that is, teal. And it looks like it has a few white colors. They look kind of blue to me. Alright, so let's see. So yeah, so you have the color wheel here, and you can like move your color anywhere you want it to be. So that's what I mean, you can fine tune it a lot better with the app. You have this here, I think this is for whites. I'm not sure on that. Oh look, here it is, white dim. So you make it brighter or less bright. Do it at 50. Alright, so we got our color set. Now we're gonna go over to the twinkle feature down here on the bottom right hand corner. And let's put it on speed 1, press play. They are twinkling, but it's almost not even noticeable. Let me go to speed 4. Okay, it really picked up that time. Now let's check out the sound mode. Oh wow. See, so that's white flash, yellow purple flash. But if you go over here to music, see it has see it has song 1. I don't know what happens. Let me press play and see what it does. So that's song 1. Let me put it on microphone. Hello? Hello, hello, hello? I don't know if this is... Let me turn it up. Hello, hello? I don't know if it's actually flickering to my voice on my phone microphone or is it using the microphone in the trunk, but it's flickering like crazy. Let me stop talking and see what it does. Talk, 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 talk. Okay, I think it is flickering to my voice. That's pretty cool. So maybe it's using the phone microphone. So I don't know, that's cool. And of course, here we are again, blue flash. See what I mean, how it flickers so fast? Red flash. Let's go red, green, blue flash. So this is a 7-color fade. And let me see, this says meteor speed, but maybe that means the speed of the colors. Let me bring it down to 5, see if they switch slower. Yeah, see, okay, so it says meteor speed, but that's also controlling the speed of these lights changing colors. So that's 7-color fade. There's red, green, blue fade. Seven-color breathe. And of course, you can also do the speed on this as well. Let's do red, green, blue breathe. Red and green fade. Red and blue fade. Green and blue fade. Seven-color jump. Red, green, blue jump. Let's see what 7-color flash is. Oh, I think I need to turn up the speed. Let me turn up the speed. And of course, these are just the individual colors flashing. It's supposed to be yellow. It kind of looks green to me. Purple. I actually really love the purples. White flash. Whoa, that looks crazy. That looks like a strobe light. No kidding. Dude, I'm having so much fun with this. I'm gonna go down just regular purple. Oh, the twinkle feature. I don't even think I showed you the twinkle, did I? So the twinkle, you can pause it. And if you pause a twinkle, it'll just be a static. And if you pause a twinkle, it'll just be a static light. But let me press play. Man, I hope this is showing on camera. Otherwise, I did it for nothing. And this is what I was talking about, the meteor feature. It has different meteor settings on here. And if you buy the light engine that has the meteor function, once you connect that light engine, it'll also do the meteor shower. So you'll have your twinkling stars plus a meteor shower. I think I'm gonna leave it on purple. Where's that blue? I can't tell really. Bring it over here. There we go. I'll leave it there. Anyway, that's the features on the app. All right, so I pretty much went through all the features that are on the app. You have the exact same features using the remote control, but it's gonna be a little bit less features because you can't fine tune it the way you can on the app. I hope I helped give you a good idea if this is a good light engine kit for you to use or not. I hope you got a good feel for all the features that are on it. I hope you go over and show Tashiko some love and maybe support their brand. If it's something you can get behind, why not show them some love? This light engine kit is a lot smaller, weighs less, has more features, Bluetooth features, might as well. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for today.